for you.
Now, every hybrid vehicle in Toyota's lineup is available with 0% financing. With fewer stops for gas, Toyota hybrids give you the confidence to go farther. And with 0% financing, Toyota hybrids are even more thrilling. Enjoy.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Los Angeles County in southwestern California, Riverside County in southwestern California, until 7:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ventura County, or northwest of San Luis Obispo County, moving east at 96 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: 83 miles per hour, wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, sites, and trees. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Large hail, damaging winds, and very powerful lightning strikes are also occurring with this storm. Avoid lightning at all costs, as lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: southern Los Angeles County to Riverside,